So I'm gonna head out and get the truck washed. It's really dirty. Where I live in Canada, it's just starting to get warmer, so the snow is all melting, and we use salt on the roads, so the salt is combined with the water, so I get a nice salt bath with the truck. So it's well covered and well overdue for a wash. I have a membership with a new car wash in town called Halo, and it's unlimited, so I pay a monthly subscription essentially, and I can get my truck washed as often as I'd like. There's a RF sticker on the windshield, and as I drive up it scans it, so I'll head there now. So I just pulled in. There's a bit of a lineup, as you can see, but it moves really fast. People drive up and it lets them through. I believe the drive-through time for the actual wash itself is 1.5 minutes from beginning to end, so this will move pretty fast. So now we're moving up, and the reader is going to read my tag.
Please wait. Welcome back, club member. Please wait. The wash is busy at this time.
So it's telling us the wash is busy, though that's because there's a bit of a lineup. So when it's my turn to go, the gate's going to lift. There we go. Loads you onto a conveyor belt, you put your vehicle on neutral, and it pulls you through. So we're just going to go over to a station to empty out some garbage and see how well the wash did. So it does a really good job, but the dryer doesn't always seem to get everything. So I have a chamois in the back of the truck, and I just go over everything with a chamois. This time seemed to be worse than most, and I find it really doesn't dry the tailgate. My only real complaint. But other than that, it does a great job cleaning. Also, I remove the antenna. It's a 10mm wrench, and I just leave it under my back seat in the truck. I've seen the aftermath of a truck that left it on and got ripped off in a car wash, and it ripped the aluminum right out. So that's it. I hope everybody enjoyed this video. I know it's not what I usually post or upload, but it is truck related, and I live in an apartment and I don't have a driveway or access to wash the truck, and it is winter in Canada, as I said, and you can't run your garden hose out and wash your vehicle in this weather. So I really enjoy having this pass and access to this car wash so close to my house. If you like what you saw, please don't forget to like my video and subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.